Alright, time for the elimination. Alright, now only one of you is gonna be eliminated and only one of you is gonna be safe. So let's get started. So Brick, Boot, Diamond, you three are safe and Lime is eliminated.
Welp, at least I have fun. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.
Alright, your next challenge is to punch a bag. Whoever punch a bag will be safe, while the other three will be up for elimination by not punching a bag. Ready, go! Yes, I punch a sag of a bag. Alright, now let's just see who will be eliminated and who will be safe. So Boot is safe, and Bino, Diamond, and Brick are up for elimination for winning at the same time. So vote one of these three people to be eliminated.